Step number one to making a website, answer the following question: why do you want to make a website? Or put another way, what is the purpose of the website? Do you want to generate traffic for your business through SEO, share your portfolio, take online reservations for your restaurant, build your personal brand, share your passion with the world through a blog? There are countless reasons to create a website, but it's important to know why you're building the website before moving on. I recommend almost everyone create a website, but there are two situations where I would recommend starting with something else first. If you want to start collecting emails, maybe you can create a simple landing page for free with ConvertKit. If you want to sell online courses, it might be better to build a sales page with something like systeme.io you can start with for free, or you can use Samcart, the software we're currently using. I'll provide more information about landing pages and sales pages down below in the description. The next step to creating your website, if you haven't done so already, it's time to choose a name. If you're struggling with this, I'm going to put down below in the description a handful of different tools that will help you generate a bunch of creative name ideas, including ChatGPT. The next step for your website is to purchase your domain. This is an important step after choosing a name to make sure you lock down the domain that you want for your website. The most recognized top-level domain is .com, but you could also go with .co, .net, .biz, or a country-specific domain such as .ca for Canada, .mx for Mexico, or .co.uk for the United Kingdom. We don't recommend purchasing your domain from your website builder or hosting company. These are not the lowest cost options, especially for the annual renewals. You'll probably spend $10 to $20 more per year for your domain if you purchase it where you're creating your website. That brings us to the sponsor of today's video, porkbun.com. We've been purchasing all of our domains from Porkbun for the last couple of years. With Porkbun, you'll get some of the lowest prices you can find anywhere with low renewal prices, something that isn't the case for all website registrars. You'll also get free privacy protection, an SSL certificate, as well as free trials for email, hosting, and a website builder. Use our link down below in the description to get an additional $1 off their already low prices for the first year of your domain. Then figure out your budget. How much are you willing to invest? This can make a big difference in how you actually create your website. Do you have money to invest upfront in the design and creation of your website? And how much can you afford to pay on a monthly basis? The choices you make are going to be quite a bit different. If you have thousands of dollars to invest, you could hire a graphic designer and pay someone to build a website for you. But since you're watching this video, I imagine you're looking to spend quite a bit less than that. We've created all of our own websites and no one on my team is a graphic designer. Depending on the website builder and the plan you choose, you could pay as little as $20 per year or up to around $100 per month. After you have an approximate budget, list out all the requirements you have. Would you like to have a blog, a forum to capture emails, the ability to sell products online, host your podcast, have live chat on your website? Do you already have a logo, brand colors, and fonts? Some website builders have a free logo creation tool and give you color and font combination ideas. It's not time to create anything yet. I just want you to have a list of the must-haves and nice-to-haves. After you define your budget and the requirements for your website, it's time to select your website builder. We have a video that I'll link to up above that lists our top favorite website builders. If there's no clear winner for what you're looking to build, take advantage of the free trials, usually 14 days. You can try to roughly build out the functionality you'd like to have on your website during the free trial to see which website builder better fits your needs. After you've selected a website builder, it's time to create all the content for your website. Write out all the text you'd like to have on each of the pages and compile photos, designs, icons, etc., so that you can create each page of your website. Then within your website builder, you want to choose an overall template that most closely resembles the design you're looking for. And then for each one of the pages, you can choose from a template or design a page from scratch, adding all the individual elements. Then you want to go and add the text, images, and everything else you want for each one of the pages. If you move quickly, you can get all this done during the 2-week free trial. If that's the case and you're happy with how your website turned out, it's time to upgrade and purchase a subscription. Normally, if you pay annually instead of monthly, you'll save over 20% per year. After you've upgraded to a paid plan, now you can connect your domain. Instructions for that are down below. Before publishing your website, double check that everything is working properly. Each link takes you to the right page, and check how each page is displayed on a computer, tablet, and phone. Make any necessary adjustments, and then it's time to publish your website. Congratulations, your website is now live. If you want further help on which website builder to choose, you can watch the video right here. Hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.